Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the finest iPhone 15 Pro cases that strike the perfect harmony between style and protection. In this review, we shine a spotlight on cases designed to provide military-grade full-body defense, ensuring your prized device is shielded from the unexpected bumps and drops of daily life. We meticulously assess each case's ability to safeguard your iPhone's camera lenses, emphasizing the importance of maintaining pristine picture quality. Not stopping at functionality alone, we scrutinize the convenience factor with cases that boast easy-to-clean features, promising to keep your device looking as good as new with minimal effort. The premium quality of these cases sets them apart, offering a marriage of durability and sophistication. With a plethora of multicolor options, personalizing your iPhone 15 Pro has never been this exciting. Join the discussion by commenting on your preferred case, giving us a thumbs up if you appreciate the insights, and subscribing for more reviews on cutting-edge tech. Let's enhance your iPhone experience together. Protect, personalize, and stay connected. Number 5 in our top today is the Vooii iPhone 15 Pro case. Enter the realm of unparalleled protection and style with the Vooii iPhone 15 Pro case, a true standout in the world of smartphone accessories. Boasting an Upgrade Defender liquid silicone construction, this case is not just a cover, it's a fortress for your device. The liquid silicone material provides a velvety touch while ensuring a secure grip, elevating both comfort and durability. One of the highlights of the Vooii case is its enhanced camera protection, designed to shield your iPhone's lenses from potential scratches and impacts. Say goodbye to worries about accidental bumps affecting your photography experience. This case has got you covered. The soft anti-scratch microfiber lining takes user experience to the next level, pampering your device with a gentle touch that prevents unsightly scratches and scuffs. It's a thoughtful touch that adds an extra layer of care to your iPhone 15 Pro. Beyond aesthetics, the Vooii case is a shock-proof phone case, offering reliable protection against drops and impacts. This ensures that your device stays intact no matter what challenges life throws your way. In conclusion, the Vooii iPhone 15 Pro case stands as a testament to innovation and functionality. It's more than a case, it's a commitment to keeping your device safe without compromising on style. Upgrade your iPhone experience with the Vooii case, where protection meets elegance. Number 4 in our top today is the ORNARTO iPhone 15 Pro case. Step into the epitome of sophistication and functionality with the ORNARTO iPhone 15 Pro case, a true masterpiece crafted from premium liquid silicone. This case sets itself apart utilizing real liquid silicone that surpasses the quality of over 95% of silicone cases. It offers a two-layer construction for reinforced toughness and an irresistibly smooth touch, ensuring your iPhone experience is both durable and luxurious. The raised bevel camera design takes protection to a new level, providing an exquisite shield for the lens without compromising the functionality of the wide-angle camera and flashlight. Wireless charging compatible, this case seamlessly integrates convenience with style. Elegance meets practicality, as this case is not only easy to clean but also certified with SGS, FDA, GRS, and RoHS for eco-friendliness, ensuring you make a responsible choice for your device and the environment. The inner microfiber cushion adds an extra layer of protection, hugging every corner with care. Choose from a spectrum of multicolor options to express your unique style, matching your iPhone 15 Pro with fresh macaron colors. ORNARTO goes beyond being a phone case, it's a fashion statement, an assurance of durability, and a commitment to environmental responsibility. Elevate your iPhone experience with ORNARTO, where form meets function in every detail. Subscribe now for the latest tech updates and reviews. Number 3 in our top today is the Miracase iPhone 15 Pro case. Elevate your iPhone 15 Pro experience with the Miracase iPhone 15 Pro case, a true marvel of innovation and protection. The built-in 9H glass screen protector sets this case apart, ensuring your phone screen is shielded from scratches and cracks without compromising the sensitive touch experience. Enjoy crystal-clear visuals without bubbles, thanks to Miracase's commitment to premium materials and precision engineering. This case goes beyond mere protection, boasting a built-in upgraded third-generation magnet ring that not only locks securely, but is also compatible with a range of MagSafe accessories. Experience faster, easier, and safer wireless charging from any angle. eliminating concerns about the charger separating from the phone. Miracase takes military-grade protection seriously, subjecting the case to 8,000 times drop tests for unmatched durability. The dual-layer design provides 360-degree full-body rugged protection, with cushioned corners adding an extra layer of security during drops. Highlighting its commitment to clarity, the case features 2 pieces of precise 9H tempered glass camera protectors, preserving the original image quality of your iPhone 15 Pro. The diamond-hard clear back showcases the real color of your phone, maintaining its pristine appearance day after day. Number 2 in our top today is the FireNova iPhone 15 Pro case. Step into the world of superior protection and aesthetic cohesion with the FireNova iPhone 15 Pro case. Crafted from premium, environmentally friendly silicone material, this case not only offers a not-slippery grip, but also ensures your device is safe and easy to hold. The soft microfiber lining inside guarantees a scratch-free environment, maintaining the pristine look of your iPhone 15 Pro. What sets the FireNova case apart is its comprehensive protection package. The inclusion of 2-pack 9H Hardness 3D round-edge military explosion-proof tempered glass screen protectors speaks volumes about its commitment to safeguarding your device. Easy to install and bubble-free, these screen protectors shield your screen from scratches, shocks, and impacts while preserving original response sensitivity and ultra-clarity. The unique built-in camera cover takes protection a step further, preventing damage to the camera lens and keeping dust at bay. Remarkably, this case ensures the camera color matches seamlessly with the overall design, providing a uniform and streamlined look. With precise cutouts for easy access to all ports and compatibility with wireless charging, the FireNova iPhone 15 Pro case seamlessly combines functionality with elegance, giving your phone a refreshing new look. Choose FireNova for a case that goes beyond protection, offering a complete visual transformation for your iPhone 15 Pro. And finally, the first place in our list is occupied by the CASEKOO iPhone 15 Pro case. Experience the pinnacle of protection and style with the FireNova iPhone 15 Pro case, designed to showcase your phone's titanium color flawlessly. Crafted with premium Bayer TPU from Germany and cutting-edge AR technology, this transparent case achieves nearly 100% light transmittance, ensuring a super clear and flawless view. Thanks to CASEKOO's Grist Gel anti-yellow technology, it remains never yellow, maintaining transparency over time. This case goes beyond aesthetics, exceeding mil-grade drop protection standards with a 3-layer protective frame and 4-corner upgraded U-Shock airbags. It passed a drop test of up to 3.04 m, safeguarding your aerospace-grade titanium from scratches and impacts. Raised 2.5 mm lens edges and 1.5 mm screen edges protect against scratches and drops. So slim and comfortable, the case features a tiny 0.5 mm raised corner design for optimal stability. At just 0.04 thickness and 0.98 ounces weight, it preserves your iPhone 15 Pro's native look and feel. The non-slip texture ensures a comfortable grip, and millimeter-precise cutouts provide easy access to all buttons and ports. Elevate your iPhone experience with the FireNova case, where clarity meets resilience. In conclusion, whether you prioritize style, durability, or innovation, these iPhone 15 Pro cases redefine smartphone protection. Choose the one that suits your needs, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech insights. Your engagement fuels our passion for keeping you informed.